Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: the expectation versus reality of holiday photos taken at some of the world's most iconic destinations. Hamilton travels on a virtual tour around the world from Thailand to Sri Lanka, India, France, Cuba and Hawaii, uncovering the surprising differences between what we expected and what we actually experienced. Let's dive in. Our first stop is the beautiful bustling city of Bangkok, Thailand, home to the mesmerising Grand Palace. We were eager to capture the magnificence of this architectural gem from a unique vantage point. Did reality align with our expectations? Navigating the waters and finding the perfect angle for our photo proved to be quite a challenge. Next on our journey, we visit Frog Rock in Unawatuna, Sri Lanka. This unique rock formation is known for creating fantastic photo opportunities. But did our photos match up to our expectations? The reality was a less surprising place than we anticipated. Now we head to Jaipur in India to explore the magnificent Hawa Mahal, also known as the Pink Palace. This architectural marvel promises stunning photo opportunities, but did it live up to our expectations? While our photos turned out beautiful, there's something important to note about the Hawa Mahal. In many images, the Pink Palace appears vibrant and pink, but in reality it can sometimes appear more orange. Paris, the Eiffel Tower is an icon of romance and beauty. We imagined ourselves in the most enchanting photos, but did reality align with our expectations? While the Eiffel Tower remains an awe-inspiring structure, it's important to be prepared for the reality of sharing the space with other tourists. Next, we travel to Cuba, a place renowned for its vintage cars. We envisioned capturing the essence of the past with classic vehicles lining every street. Did it turn out as expected? Cuba's evolving landscape and its access to more Western conveniences has resulted in the influx of newer vehicles. Finally, we arrive in Hawaii's main island and take a day trip to Kualoa Ranch, known for its stunning landscapes and appearances in many films. We had high hopes of capturing some of the incredible holiday photos, especially the mountainous terrain so famously captured in those films. However, the reality turned out to be quite different. And there you have it, the expectation versus reality of holiday photos from some of the world's most iconic destinations. Find joy in the unexpected and create memories that go beyond the perfect photo. Take care and happy travels.